This is the Bailey Phoenix Black Edition 420. It's a 2-berth caravan that's incredibly light. It weighs around about 1,160 kilos, which means you can tow it with a huge variety of tow cars. And for this one example, we use Skoda's Enyaq, which is an EV. Now it has a shipping length of around about 5.5 meters, which means it's easy to tow, store and maneuver. But let's step inside and take a look to see what you can do with a caravan that has a shipping length of 5.5 meters. So the lounge in the 420 is incredibly light and airy thanks to that huge picture window and the size of the seats. 6'3" long, lots of space for lounging, and when it's night time you can use these as huge single beds or make it up into a simply enormous double bed. Upholstery wise, this is the optional Lima, which comes with AquaClean, or you can have the standard Echo. It's worth noting that these are sprung, they're not foam, so if you're lounging or sleeping, you can ensure that these will be incredibly comfortable. And if it's mealtime, freestanding table will fit in the middle, or you can simply use this pull-out to my left. This may be a smaller caravan, but it's absolutely jam-packed with tech. There are 4 230-volt sockets, 2 USB sockets in the reading lights above. There's also a wireless charger on the chest unit that has an additional USB and a USB-C. There's a telepoint on the unit opposite the kitchen, and to make sure you stay entertained for hours, this comes with a Sonos speaker that is Alexa activated. The kitchen has tons of worktop space, especially if you use the unit opposite and the extending flap here. Equipment wise, we have a dual fuel hob, oven grill and a microwave above, and there's simply tons of storage space throughout in the cupboards above and also the drawers and cupboards below. And to remind you that you are indeed in a Phoenix Black Edition model, there are black accents to the taps, the handles and the tea-towel holder opposite. The 420 has an amazingly large washroom, separate shower to my left, lots of dressing room in the middle and the all-important loo to my right. And it's worth noting that this has a double wardrobe to my right as well. I mean, what 5.5 meter caravan has a wardrobe that size? And to partition the washroom off from the rest of the caravan, there's this space-saving sliding door. So in summary, if you're a couple or a solo traveller and you're looking for a caravan that's easy to park on your driveway, easy to pitch at your favourite campsite, but has a huge lounge, massive kitchen and a large end washroom, the 420 could definitely be for you, and chances are your car will be able to tow it.